We started Special Touch Cleaning over 20 years ago. Providing customers with superior service at an affordable price has enabled us to grow our customer base to over 400 customers. We recently began to franchise Special Touch to help others enter the residential cleaning market. What are the benefits of owning a Special Touch franchise? Low overhead, residual income, no nights or weekends, and you can operate your business from your phone or laptop. Special Touch has developed a unique app that minimizes the amount of paperwork, free up your valuable time during the day, and will save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over the years. Features of the app include automatic processing of credit cards, sending text reminders to customers, scheduling customers, GPS employees in real time, and direct deposit payroll. This app is included with the franchise fee. You can view a short video of the app on this website. Call us today at 804-382-7749 or fill out the contact form and we'll have a representative discuss your future with Special Touch Cleaning.